Are you running late for work with no time to put your lace frontal on? Tired of going to the gym bald-headed or in a scarf? Well, dial 1-800-MY-FIRST-WIG today and receive your headband wig. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. So today I am showing you guys Myfirstwig's headband wig, and I like this wig because, as you can see here, it has a black headband sewn onto the cap that you can automatically just wear, and in the back it has Velcro snaps that you can adjust to put on and make it a fit for your head size, whichever, if it's large, small, whatever. It also has combs all throughout the perimeter, at the top, the two sides, and in the back. So I'm prepping my hair to sleek it down a little bit. I had air dried, so I'm just blow drying it out a little bit, and that's going to stretch it out for me. You don't have to prep your hair this way. You can prep it however you want it. It's a headband wig, but I wanted my hair to be, you know, at least a little bit sleeker than what I had going on underneath my other wig. So I just used a little bit of gel and just a little bit of edge control to put some swoops on my edges, because I prefer to wear this headband wig with my edges out. I think it's super cute that way. You don't have to wear it that way. You'll see as we go along in the video that you can have your edges totally covered if you want to. I sprayed a little bit of water on my hair just to help me slick it down a little bit better, because my hair is like super thick, so I just need a little help. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Moving on, I am straightening out the wig. As you know, when wigs come out the package and you're going for a sleek straight look, even if the hair comes out the package straight, it's usually kind of like not totally straight. Like the ends might be bumped a little, awkwardly from being in the package. So I'm just straightening it back out, basically, is what I'm doing. So this headband wig is fitting great to me. I think it's all head friendly. You can adjust it, especially with the Velcro in the back, to wear if you have a larger head or if you need it tighter for a smaller head. I had it around in the middle of the Velcro area for my head, and like I said, you can cover your edges. Or you can even pull it a little bit farther back so you can have edges and a little bit of hair out. To me, that looks like the most natural. I actually wore this wig out, and let me tell y'all, I got so many compliments on this being my hair, and I had it pushed back about this far. So if you want it to look really, really super natural, that's probably the best way to do it. But again, you can wear it however it suits you to wear it. It's so versatile, so easy, so pop it on and go. And now I'm just going to show you guys how many styles I could think of to do with this wig. You can do so many things with it. Half up, half down, as you see here, ponytails, buns, you name it. So I'm gonna let you guys see what I can do with that. I am going to let you know this hair is their Yaki texture, and I have it in the 16-inch, so it's super natural, and it is a 200% density. So without you having a frontal on it, it still looks super nice and full. Do offer headbands for purchase on the site if you want to pick some up while you're shopping for your wig. They sent me 2 samples to show you guys, so you can check these out and see if that's something you want as well.
Here we go like that. Yeah. Here we go like that. Yeah. Here we go like that. Yeah. If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me.
Minimal tangling and shedding with these units, and at this point I'm in love because I've been wearing it for about 2 weeks as of the time that I'm doing the voiceover for this. I've literally worn this wig within the 2 weeks because I was running late to an appointment, because I was running to a regular appointment, running errands, going to work out, like you name it. This unit is so versatile and so easy. It's a back view of the unit so you can see how natural and how real it looks. You guys, again, I am in love. If you are interested in this unit, details will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.